So this is what I've got. I've got a crack right in the spot right here. I've already brushed it down with my wired brush. Plan is I'm going to clean that up, get it soft, brush it again, and then I'll melt some wax onto it. Well, some plastic, not wax. You know, it's hard to tell. I may have to drill holes here and here just to keep it from spreading. So I might do that just to be safe. I don't see it extending any farther than here, it looks like. But then I'll fill in the holes from here to here to kind of give it an idea of what's going on, what the plan is. Once the iron's hot, I'll melt that down. But first I'm going to come over here and get my drill. And I'm going to, pardon the noise. And a small drill bit. Small. Smallest one I got is what I'm going to use because I don't want to make it worse, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to do a small hole. And I'm just going to go just past that crack there. So I'm going to do that just to kind of keep it from spreading. And then I'll take the brush and brush out those holes. And I'm going to take this iron. I'm just going to kind of melt it along there. And now that that's done, I'm going to once again go with the wire brush and just kind of brush that in, just to give me some rough surface here, so I can take the plastic that came with the kayak, and I'm just going to kind of dig that out just ever so slightly. And we're just going to apply that. Just trying to apply it smooth as possible, fill the cracks in. It's just it's a small crack. It's not through by any means, by any stretch of the imagination. It's a rotomolded kayak, so it's not going to per se it's not going to, I don't know what it's solid, so it's not like it's I'm not sure the word I'm looking for. It's not a hollow kayak by any stretch of the imagination. So the goal is to just kind of fill in that crack, get it solid again. It happens. Just got the RX welder, plastic welder. Nothing special there. point is just to kind of smooth it in there, get it as smooth as you can, filling in those cracks. You want to go from the 2 holes that you drilled all the way across, just so that you can make sure you're getting a good spread and all the way from one hole to the next. And the holes are only there for the purpose of making sure that you don't have that spread. And that's the only reason why I'm doing it. I'm going to lay it on a little thicker in spots just because it was deeper. It was a deeper crack. But so it's kind of the finished product there. Turned out nice. I don't think it's bad by any stretch. Let that cool. And see, it just takes that little bit there, but doesn't take much, but it works. But you can see the finished product. Crack's gone. I'm back to a solid state. I think that'll work. Should hold well. Looks like I did miss a spot, so I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit more here. Pays to be thorough. It's definitely something you want to make sure that you don't leave anything unattended, kind of thing. I don't want any surprises, you know. Definitely don't want any surprises when you're out on the water. So that's what I'll leave it at. Like I said, I think I'm happy with the way it turned out. It's got a nice crisp edge. I don't see filled in nicely. I think it'll hold up. So it's first time doing it. Really easy, really, really easy. Hopefully this helps you if you come across anything in your sides that surprise you. Just know that it's an easy job and cracks happen. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. If you like this video, found it helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe. One of the many things I'll be doing on my journey here. So thank you for coming and have a great day.